Here are 6 reasons interior building product distributors need to join the North American Building Material Distribution Association today. Number 6. Trend data and analysis. Change is constant with our distribution channel, and executives need to be continually monitoring trends. NBMDA provides reports on a regular, covering economic trends, sales trends, and labor trends. Number 5. Thought leadership. NBMDA provides access to fellow industry leaders as well as distribution management consultants who share their insights and predictions on the topics that are affecting your distribution business now and in the future. Number 4. Benchmarking. NBMDA helps you to understand how your distributorship stacks up against others in the channel. If you can't measure it, you can't improve on it. So we help you to understand how you compare. Number 3. Education and training. Education is the cornerstone of NBMDA's value proposition. Rotating distribution topics are covered each year and delivered to our members through multiple mediums, including virtual and live events, webinars, regional meetings, and online programs. Number 2. Connections and business contacts. NBMDA represents the movers and shakers of your distribution channel who are a wealth of knowledge and experience. Best practice sharing is continuous within the network, as is the opportunity to deepen existing trading partnerships and develop new business opportunities with leading suppliers. Number 1. For a limited time, NBMDA is waiving membership dues for new distributor members. The coronavirus continues to negatively influence sales opportunities and requires distribution executives to aggressively manage expenses during this unpredictable time. NBMDA is here to help, and we've made it a very easy decision to join our network. The North American Building Material Distribution Association, NBMDA, is a network of distributors, suppliers, and service providers dedicated to developing and promoting the effectiveness of distribution processes to improve member profitability and growth. NBMDA is where distributors grow. Visit www.nbmda.org to learn more.